Let's read the question. Resolve into partial fractions x plus 4 by x square minus 4 into x plus 1. So this particular fraction we need to solve into partial fractions. So before solving this particular question, we need to understand whether the given question is in proper fractions or improper fraction. So this one is a proper fraction. So the reason is that the coefficient of denominator and the coefficient of numerator was same. Alright, here the x coefficient is 1, here also the coefficient of x is 1. Even the numerator is highest coefficient than the denominator, then also this is a proper fraction. So that is one of the rule. The rule is that what? The coefficient should be either same or it can be higher in the numerator. That is the first rule. And the second rule is that the power of the coefficient should be higher in the denominator and lesser in the numerator. If not, it can be same also, but numerator power should not be higher. So here two things were satisfying, that is the coefficient of numerator and denominator were same. The second thing is that the denominator power was greater than the numerator. So now this is perfectly a proper fraction. So we can write given fraction is proper fraction. Alright. So let's do forward. This is x plus 4 by x square minus 4. I'm just writing question as it is and then we'll see what we can do. Alright. So this is exactly in the form of a square minus b square formula. So I'll write here a square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. So we can either write it as a minus b into a plus b. Anything was same. Alright. So here we'll do as the same. This 4 we can write like this, no? X plus 4 by x square minus 2 square. And this we can write x plus 1 as it is. So in the place of 4 I have written it as 2 square. So now this is exactly acting like this formula, a square minus b square. Alright. So now we'll just further solve it. This is x plus 4 by, so how we can write this as x minus 2 into x plus 2 and x plus 1 as the same. Okay, I just resolved this x square minus 2 square as x minus 2 by using this above formula. Alright, so now this particular one we'll use it and we'll further solve it. Alright, so now I'll write this as x plus 4 by x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 1, that is equal to, now we'll divide this into partial fractions, that is a by x minus 2 plus b by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 1. So this is the way we will divide the given all the values into three parts. As there are three multiples in each of the case, so we will just divide into three parts, that is a, b and c. Even if the values were more than this, if that one more was added, then we'll go for d. If one more were there, then we'll go for e. Suppose if only two multiples were there, then we'll just take a and b. It depends upon number of multiples, the number of variables can be extended. Alright, so now we'll just do the LCM and we'll see what do we get. So this is x plus 4 by x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 1, that is equal to, so here we need to do LCM, a into x plus 2 into x plus 1. As the denominator of a is x minus 2, we will not take this particular 1 for a, we will write the remaining 2. Let's do the same for b also. So b into, so we will not take x plus 2, we will take this other both. So b into x minus 2 into x plus 1, and now we'll take for c. So c into, we'll take these both, we will not take this. So c into x minus 2 into x plus 2 and whole by, what is the denominator we got? X minus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 1. Right, we are done with the LCM now. Alright, so now here we can cancel this whole denominator and this whole denominator, right? So x minus 2, x plus 2, x plus 1, x plus 1. So all this denominator got cancelled and we'll write the remaining elements. That is x plus 4 is equal to a into x plus 2, x plus 1 plus b x minus 2 into x plus 1 plus c x minus 2 ex plus 2. So now we need to solve this further so that we could get the A, B and C values. Okay, so we need to make any of the two elements as 0 in order to get the other value. Alright, for suppose now we'll just find out the value of B. Okay, if we have to find out the value of B, we need to make the value of A and the value of C as 0. Alright, now to make A value as 0, here in the place of X, if I take X equal to -2. Okay, if X equal to -2 I take, then this -2 plus 2 will get 0. So here also if I take X equal to -2 here, then this all will become 0, this whole C will become 0. You will understand more clearly as we go on. So I will take here, let X equal to -2. So we are taking this on both sides. So -2 plus 4, in the place of X I have submitted -2. So here A, in the place of X again I am submitting -2, so plus 2, in the place of X -2, plus B, in the place of X -2, in the place of X -2, plus C, again -2, -2, here -2, plus 2. Alright, so -2 plus 4 is how much? That is 2. So that is A into this -2 plus 2 is what? It was 0. And this is -2 plus 1 is nothing but -1. So plus B into, this is -2 is what? -4. And this is -2 plus 1 is -1. Alright, plus C, this is -2 is -4. -2 plus 2 is, it was 0. Alright, I think till now everything is clear. We'll write the remaining 2 equal to this A into 0 into 0 into -1. So everything, this whole part is becoming 0. So 0. And this is minus into minus plus, so 4 into 1 is 4. So I can write this as 4B. And this is minus 4 into 0 or 0 into C, anything, this whole part is becoming 0. So I can write plus 0. So finally we are getting 2 equal to 4B. Alright, so now we are getting this as 4B is equal to 2. Further solving this, we'll be getting this as B is equal to 2 by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, where we are getting the B value as 1 by 2. Okay, so we got B value as 1 by 2. We'll further solve it and we'll even get A and C values. So further we'll write this particular equation. I'll write x plus 4. We're writing the equation again just to solve it. For clarity I'm writing. If not, even we can write directly also. X minus 2 ex plus 1 plus C x minus 2 ex plus 2. In order to get B value, we have taken x equal to -2. Now let's find out even C value. In order to find out C value, I'll just take x is equal to, I'll be just taking -1. Okay, suppose if I take here -1, so -1 plus 1, this whole part becomes 0. If this is becoming 0, this whole A will become 0. So here also if I take -1, this -1 plus 1 will become 0. So this whole B will become 0. So we'll be getting the C value. Alright, so let's do this. So I can write here, in the place of x I'm taking -1. So -1 plus 4 is equal to A into -1 plus 2. This is -1 plus 1 plus B, in the place of x again -1 minus 2 -1 plus 1 plus C, in the place of x -1 minus 2, in the place of x -1 plus 2. So let's solve this forward and we'll see -1 plus 4 in the sense that is 3. So this is A into -1 plus 2 is nothing but just 1. So this is -1 plus 1, it was how much? It was 0. Plus B into, this is -1 minus 2 is nothing but -3. So this is -1 plus 1, which is 0. Plus C into, this is -1 minus 2 is -3. So this is -1 plus 2, which is just 1. Okay, so this is 3 equal to, this whole part will become 0 because 0 into anything was 0. So this whole part, first A was becoming 0. So this is 0 into anything was 0. So even the second part is becoming 0. So this is the remaining part, that is -3C. Okay, so we'll just write this forward. So this is 3 equal to -3C is remained. So here we are getting 3 is equal to -3 by 3. So 3 can be getting cancelled. So we're getting C equal to -1. Okay, we got B value, we got C value. Now let's find out A value also. Okay, so I'll just write the equation again and we'll then solve and get A value. Okay, so this equation P B x minus 2 x plus 1 plus C x minus 2 ex plus 2, right? So in order to get A value, now I'll take x equal to 2. So I can write let x equal to 2. So now x equal to 2 when I take, so this B value is becoming 0 because plus 2 minus 2 will get 0. And here also when I take x equal to 2, 2 minus 2 will become 0. Okay. So let's do that. So 2 plus 4 is equal to A into 2 plus 2. This is 2 plus 1. This is 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1. 2 minus 2. So this is 2 plus 2. Alright. So let's solve this forward. So 2 plus 4 is nothing but 6. And this is A into 2 plus 2 is 4. And this is 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus B into 2 minus 2. This part is becoming 0. So this is 2 plus 1 which is 3. Plus C into 2 minus 2 is 0. And 2 plus 2 is 4. Alright. So let's solve this forward. C is equal to, this is 4, 3 is 12. So this is 12A plus this is B into 0 into 3. So this whole part is becoming 0. This is C into 0 into 4. So this whole part is becoming 0. So this is 6 equal to 12A is remain. So we can just further solve it. So I can write this as A is equal to 6 by 12. So 6 ones are 6 twos are is remain. So A equal to 1 by 2 we got. Right. So the values finally we got, A we got as 1 by 2 and B value we got as 1 by 2 and the C value we got as minus 1. So let's submit this A, B, C, all these three values in the above equation. What is the equation? This is the equation. Let's say this is equation number 1. So I'll write here submitting in equation number 1. Okay, right here. Submit A, B and C values in equation 1. Okay. So what is equation number 1? X plus 4 by x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 1 is the equation, which we wrote this as A by x minus 2 plus B by x plus 2 plus C by x plus 1. So in the place of A, in the place of B, in the place of C, we'll just submit the obtained values and we'll see what do we get. So this is A is what? 1 by 2. B is what? 1 by 2. C is what? It is minus 1. Okay. So we can just simply write this as, so 1 by 2 by x minus 2, we can write this as 1 by 2 into x minus 2. This I can write 1 by 2 into x plus 2. And this is plus into minus, this will become minus, so minus 1 by x plus 1. So plus into minus is minus. So this is the final answer for this particular question. I hope this is very clear.